up guys, and welcome back to the vlog. You just saw Mickey and I bleeding our new brake system, and now what are we doing next?
Time to put the wheels on.
Yeah, I am so excited to see how that like battleship gray with the orange and the blue looks. Here we go.
See if it actually starts. I'm scared. Clutch.
Ricky, pretty good.
I love this thing.
Dude, it's so nice with the interior back in this car.
We should probably put a seat in here.
Yeah, let's put the seats in.
I feel like I sit a little low.
It's time to go for a drive. Man, that looks so killer with the orange roll cage peeking through. Let's see if I can fit in here.
Put your belts on, bro. No trust, dude.
Ooh.
Are these belts even like...
Are the belts attached?
No.
I hope they are.
2,000 years later.
There's a key and you take the key and you put it on. Oh.
Here we go. You sound like our comment section, Jeff. What I was saying is Mickey handed me the keys. I've only driven this car a little bit. Mickey drove it on a track a while back. But we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna bed the brakes. So this is a brand new set of StopTech slotted rotors and the Hawk HPS pads, which should be a really good combo for the street and for like light autocross and track days if you want. I think it's gonna be a really good setup. I had the Hawk HPS pads in my E36 and they were really, really good. So we're gonna go out for a little drive. We're gonna bed the brakes and make sure everything else is working good. Bring it up to 60 and go all the way down to 10, and I'm gonna slam on it pretty hard, so you better make sure you're strapped in. Wow, those brakes are going good. I think my stomach was in my chest there. So we're gonna go ahead and do that quite a few times. Sound this thing makes is great. Ready? There you go. 60. Oh, hold up. Wow. Okay. I didn't see any smoke or anything. The tires grip good too. Ready? Little second gear pull. Sounds pretty good. Pulls nicely. 60 and wow, these brakes are unreal. Really good. And the tires too. I think they're bedded. They feel really good. The other cool thing about this car is I can just go like this. Just turn the AC on. And it's cold. Hell yeah.
Damn, this thing's sick.
This car is fucking sick. And now what's cool is you have a lot of the creature comforts, and we're not even done yet. So we've got an audio system planned, but it's nice to have carpet. It's nice to have that suede headliner, all the door panels, and just that noise too is so good, man. It really feels dailyable. It's weird. Like when it was totally stripped out, it just made a lot more noise, and it's just really cool that it's come together in 2 days. I love it. I love the gray. I think maybe a little bit more gray touch. Nikki was telling me about some ideas. What do you guys think? What do you think of our Evo 8? This thing is sick. Hey, what's up, Grant? How are you?
Good.
Good to see you, brother. You got a little surprise for us, I see.
Little goodies.
We haven't even talked about this at all on camera.
Nice.
So we should open this up.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. This is from Pure Turbos, which is cool because you guys are local to us.
So we took your guys' little stock baby and made her fit whatever we could. So we fully disassemble it. We basically split it the V-band, take the whole bearing housing apart, take everything, sandblast it, and then put it in through our machining process. So we machine this on a lathe, this on a full CNC mill, and then after that, we will see what sizing we can necessarily get into them. Usually we can fit a lot larger wheel, usually a 9 to 10 millimeter gain, but we kind of kept it conservative so that you guys could have at least some protection, a little wiggle room if you ever wanted to go bigger. But
it looks brand new,
yeah,
which is cool.
Absolutely. So we use like an aluminum soft blast to clean everything up, and that's it.
So this is a factory Evo 8 turbo that Pure Turbos modified.
So it's a hybrid is what our market is. So basically we'll take it from being a stock turbo, mill it out, make it an aftermarket performance turbo.
And how much power can this setup here make with the proper setup?
If you're running full E and turned up to the max, you could probably make 650.
Wow.
So
okay, I was not expecting that.
Yeah, you're in a good range. If on pump gas, you'll be in a 450, 500 range to keep it safe. Like a California tune, be right around 450, 500.
This is something that we have not mentioned on camera at all. And actually, Grant, come out with me to the Evo. Here's the deal. The turbo setup that is on this car is from the early 2000s. It's pretty old.
Yeah.
And it's been put through the paces over the years.
Definitely looks like.
It's got an external wastegate, which is great. But we wanted to modernize this whole system. We wanted to bring the turbo system back to stock, but way more efficient. And we're gonna show you guys that you can actually make as much, if not more power on a OEM turbo that's been upgraded by Pure Turbos, as opposed to this really massive turbo that's gonna have a lot more lag. We should have a lot more throttle response.
Absolutely, yeah.
That's gonna be coming up in the next couple of videos here. So if you guys have not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, toss us a like on this video. I am so excited to kind of transform this whole engine bay. It's gonna look really good. So huge shout out to Pure Turbos. Grant, thank you so much for coming down.
Absolutely.
And in the next episode, you guys will see us replace this old setup with the new Pure Turbo setup. All right, one other package that just came in I want to show you guys before we install it is from APR. So we got a bunch of really nice carbon fiber goodies from APR. So this right here is our timing belt cover that goes on the side of the valve cover. Right here is our coil pack cover. Really nice. And then here is a cover that goes right on top of the radiator to essentially divert the air from flowing over, but basically directing the air through the radiator. And wow, this is a really nice part from APR. There's actually some plastic on there. I'm not going to take this off now. I think that's it. But I heard that Ricky just got here, and I know he wanted to fix all of those autometer gauges. So let me go ahead and I'll pass the camera over to Ricky, and we'll see what he's up to.
going to be replacing, oh, actually not replacing, but rewiring every single gauge that you see here. And if you notice, there's 5 gauges in there, and we have some, hi.
What you have?
We have some gauge cups from Autometer, and they're in carbon fiber.
I don't know if you know math or not, but you said 5. I only see 4.
Yeah, you know why?
I only see 4.
You know what? Because I'm waiting on one more. And FedEx man showed up, but didn't bring my cup. So I believe UPS is going to be delivering it though. So meanwhile, I'm going to start taking everything apart and starting from scratch. So here we go. So what I'm doing now, separating each power and ground cable. So far I've only found one that's coming directly from the gauge down here in one piece. Every other gauge has been split into 3 or 4 different connectors. So it starts with red, then connector, then a different wire, then connector, then a different wire, then connector, then a different wire, then it goes to the stereo. That's just one gauge. So each gauge is randomly powered up by different devices and ground in different places, which is not good. You can run one strong power and one strong ground and split into the 5 gauges. With a relay, it'll help a lot. So I'm gonna probably get a relay, go from power to relay to all the gauges, and there should be enough power to run all of them without disturbing anything else in the car. All right guys, let me show you one last time everything we got done today. So, before you guys noticed that the wire was exposed and it was filled up with black tape, electrical tape, and now everything is nice and neat. We put all the carbon fiber stuff in it. We made the lights inside the gauge work with the light switch, and everything seems to be working at the moment. All the gauges, half the gauges weren't working before, and now they all are. So, yeah, we're getting there. It's one step closer to getting the interior done. You guys also witnessed me clean up the mess that was under the dash. It was crazy, but everything is nice and neat, safe. Everything has fuses, proper grounds, and that's it for now. Can't believe we're giving this car away the next couple of weeks, so stay tuned for more updates.
I think that's pretty much all the time we have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you stuck around all the way to the end, you guys are real ones, and we appreciate you guys. We appreciate you guys who stick all the way to the end of our videos and leave us comments, likes, and everything else. So thank you guys one more time, and we'll see you in the next video. Later.